How to start a copywriting business.
To start a copywriting business, you'll need to select the services you'll offer clients, showcase your writing samples, and market yourself to attract new clients to hire you as a freelance copywriter. Step-by-step guide. 1. Cover the basics. Before you can start a copywriting business, you'll need to cover the basic requirements of running a freelance company. First, make sure you have all the supplies you'll need to be a copywriter, including a computer, an internet connection, and a website promoting your services. If you buy anything new for your business, make sure you track the expense so you can deduct it from your income taxes. 2. Plan your copywriting business. Develop a plan of action that outlines your goals, business strategy, and target clients. Analyze your competition by looking up other freelance copywriting businesses in your market to see what services they offer and how much they charge clients for their services. You'll also want to plan a promotional strategy for growing your business over time. 3. Choose your services. What services will your freelance copywriting business offer to its clients? You may want to specialize in specific areas of copywriting, such as advertising copy, website content, email marketing copy, and more. If you have experience in a particular type of writing, you may want to choose to focus on that niche while getting your copywriting business off the ground.
4. Develop your brand. A strong brand will set you apart from your competitors and give your business a personality that clients can relate to. Your brand includes the tone and style of your business as well as the graphic look of your business, including your logo, fonts, and color palette. Once you have a clear brand, you can use it across all your marketing materials, including business cards and your website. 5. Develop an online portfolio. Once you have selected all your writing samples, you'll need somewhere to display them so potential clients can see your work. Develop an online portfolio that showcases your writing samples, provides a listing of your services, and offers a bio so clients can learn more about you and your background. You can use portfolio templates from WordPress or Squarespace, or hire a web developer to build you a custom site.
6. Establish your rates. Setting the rate you'll charge clients is an important step and can also be one of the most challenging tasks for writers who are new to freelancing. First, take a look at what other copywriters in your area charge, so you can establish a realistic range for the industry in your city. Find other copywriters offering similar services with similar experience levels to you and see what their rates are. It's a good idea to set both an hourly rate and a per-word rate, to offer clients some flexibility. 7. Sharpen your skills. Copywriters should always be improving their writing skills or learning new skills that can help grow their business. If you'd like to learn about technical writing, SEO principles, or another new skill, consider enrolling in classes at a local college or signing up for online courses you can complete from anywhere. Online services like Udemy or Skillshare can help you learn new skills quickly and inexpensively. 8. Create a legal contract. When you're just starting out as a freelancer, you'll want to have a templated contract in place that you can send to new clients to protect yourself and clearly outline the work your client will receive from you. A contract outlines the services you'll provide, the timelines for completing the work, and the amount your client will pay you for your services. It should be signed by both you and your client. Get an in-depth guide on how to develop a legally binding contract for small businesses. 9. Pitch your business. To run a successful copywriting business, you need to convince clients to hire you. You can send pitch emails to market yourself to potential clients. Pitch emails should introduce yourself and your services and offer a persuasive reason why you'd be the perfect freelance copywriter for their business. Advertising agencies often hire freelance copywriters to work on a project-by-project basis and can be a good place to start sending pitches. When pitching your copywriting business, always link to your online portfolio, and include links to specific writing samples that are particularly relevant to the brand you're pitching. 10. Attend networking events. Networking events offer a great opportunity for freelance copywriters to meet with potential clients. In the early years of your copywriting business, you'll need to be constantly finding new clients to keep your business afloat. Networking events don't have to be specific to the marketing or advertising industry. If there's a networking event for tech startups in your city, that could be a great opportunity to meet startup founders who might need the services of a freelance copywriter. If speaking book is helpful, Please subscribe. More books in playlist.